Hello everyone, welcome to this week's material. This is APA week. A lot of you have had my communications class before and you're going to say, I've done APA, I really have a great insight to how to do it moving forward. So a lot of the same materials that we use to review APA in communications are the same ones that we'll use in legal. So don't really think that if you have questions in relation to APA, like there's any differences, don't worry, there's really not. The way you cite sources is the same, the way you document is the same. You're just going to be looking for different resources, different types of research than you would in your communication class. So, of course, your research paper can be anything on the legal end of the spectrum, so come up with whatever suits you. And we're going to use the same kind of format, Google Scholar. This is the same video right here that I used in the past, the Google Scholar overview. It's something that you saw in communications class if you had that with me. I really like this APA style overview too, which I use in a couple of communications classes, so be sure to look at that. And I think you'll get a lot out of it. Further, I attached a lot of different information in here, like your sample paper from Purdue OWL, a sample paper in Word format, right? So when you write your paper and you don't want to try to figure out the formatting, you copy and paste it into this Word document right here, and that's how you're going to have it in the right format quickly. You're going to have an APA lecture question with, of course, Sunday by midnight for your reply, and your original post due Thursday. So make sure you do that, this right here. I tried to highlight it here. Let me try again. So that's your APA lecture question. This is just, hey, tips and tricks that I learned along the way that you want to share with other students. I might post something in there as time goes on, but it's just kind of like a forum that you can use if you have any questions. Don't forget, there's one other area in this course, a little bit different than your communication course. I tried to lump it all into 1 week, but if you click the link at the top, you're going to find Google Scholar, how to get to that, and then also how to use Screencast-O-Matic, which I want you to do for your video, right? Just like we had in communications, if you had that class, you're going to record a video talking about your paper. Great information here to download that program and be ready to go. But that's APA in a nutshell. You just have your lecture question, which is due this week. Start writing your paper, right? Your assignment instructions are due, which has a due date and everything, are in the course content right here, legal research instructions. I'll probably move those around and add those to this week as well, but make sure you review those too. I appreciate all the hard work. Thanks so much for all you're doing. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I really enjoy engaging in the discussion posts, and we'll continue to do that throughout the course. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend and have a great week next week.